Today, MSPs often need to log into each distributor portal to find product information, pricing, and details. That's time-consuming, creates unnecessary manual work, and makes it hard to scale. ZaveIT is a multi-distributor platform that brings this into one place. In this demo, I'll show you how to set up the TD SYNNEX ION integration, import a product, and use it to build a service. First, we navigate to Settings. Go to Integrations. Here you can manage the different systems and distributors connected to your platform. Click Add ION Integration. Now we enter the required connection details for the integration. We start with setting the worker. In order to find your account ID and the tokens, you need to log into your ION portal, Settings and Account Information. Copy account ID and paste here. To get the right access token, navigate back to Users. In here, you can request new credentials. Copy access token and paste it here. Now, let's do the same with the refresh token. Copy and paste. Set the right currency. I will choose pounds. Once everything is added, we create the setup. Everything is ready, but before we activate the integration, let's test the connection. Click Configure and then click Test the integration. As you can see, the test is successful. Now let's activate the integration. We are now connected to TD SYNNEX ION and can start importing products directly into the platform. Next, we navigate to Products and then to Import. Here, we can search for products that are available through any integration. I will choose the TD SYNNEX ION. For this demo, I'll import one product. I'll choose the Entra ID Governance product. Click Next. As you can see, the product information is imported into the platform, including the description, your pricing, and relevant product details. This means you don't have to manually copy text, check prices in a distributor portal, or build everything from scratch. You can adjust the sales price or apply the right markup for each partner or customer agreement. Now I'll show you how to use this product to build a service and start creating recurring revenue. We go to the Service Builder and create a new service. First, we add a clear header for the service. Then we add an introduction text. We can also upload an icon for the service, so it looks professional in the service catalog. If we want to make the service card more visual, we can upload images as well. Then we add the service description. This is where you can explain what the customer gets, what the service includes, and how it helps them. Now, let's connect this service with a product. With the Service Builder, you can also build a service with additions. I'll show that in more detail in another demo. Today, I will build with one addition and add the product we imported from TD SYNNEX ION. In this example, I'm adding the Entra ID Governance product as a service. Enable numbers of users, so when your customers buy the service, they can add as many users as they need. Next, I'll connect a service contract to the service. When a customer buys it, the contract can be signed electronically as part of the purchase flow. Here we can see that the agreement period and billing cycle is correct. Now it is time to save, and then activate it. And that's it. We have connected TD SYNNEX ION to the platform, imported a product with product information and your pricing, and used it to build a service in your service catalog. This is how MSPs can move from manual distributor portal work to a more structured, scalable way of building and selling services. Less manual work, faster service creation, and better control, all from one platform.